Okay, we will start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, distinguished presenters and participants. Welcome to the parallel session ICT TEM. My name is Nurmalastiani Putri, and I will be the moderator for this session. Each presenter is allocated 10 minutes in total, including presentation and discussion. Kindly manage the time accordingly. Let us begin with the first presenter. Our first presenter is Miss Halimatu Sa'diyah SPD. She will present her paper entitled Development of Scratch-Based Interactive Mathematics Learning Media, X Quadrat Bird to Improve Understanding of Quadratic Equation Concepts. Miss Halimatu Sa'diyah, the time is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present this research. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Halimatu Sa'diyah. I am a master student in mathematics education at UPI Bandung. And then this is my team, Mrs. Iyus Sudihartini, Mr. Muhammad Faisal Fatur Rahman, and Mr. Kako Maluneta. On this occasion, I will present a study entitled Development of Scratch-Based Interactive Mathematics Learning Media, X Quadrat Bird, to improve understanding of quadratic equation concept. This presentation is organized into 5 main sections. The first section is introduction, the second is method, the third is result and discussion, the fourth is conclusion, and then the last is reference. Let's begin with the first section, introduction. Quadratic equations are an essential topic in high school mathematics. They are prerequisite for advanced concepts such as calculus and algebra. Therefore, a deep conceptual understanding of quadratic equation is necessary. However, in practice, student conceptual understanding of quadratic equation is still low. This is caused by weak master of prerequisite algebra concept, the occurrence of misconception, and that students have not yet achieved a deep understanding of quadratic equation. Based on this problem, meaningful learning experience are needed to support students in constructing concept independently. Therefore, innovative and interactive digital learning media can help students understanding quadratic equation in
Maybe Miss Halimatu Sa'diyah close the Zoom because the technical difficult. Please wait a moment for the presenters and other participants.
Mohon maaf, tadi terputus koneksinya, Ibu.
Oke, it's okay, Miss. Silakan boleh di share screen.
Apakah sudah muncul?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Maybe I can start with introduction. In introduction, quadratic equations are an essential topic in high school mathematics. They are prerequisite for advanced concepts such as calculus and algebra. Therefore, a deep conceptual understanding of quadratic equation is necessary. However, in practice, student conceptual understanding of quadratic equation is still low. This is caused by weak master of prerequisite algebra concept, the occurrence of misconception, and learning practice that still emphasize procedural memorization. As a result, students tend to memorize formulas without understanding their meaning. This reliance on memorization indicate that students have not yet achieved a deep understanding of quadratic equation. Based on this problem, meaningful learning experience are needed to support students in conducting concept independently. Therefore, innovative and interactive digital learning media can help students understanding quadratic equation in a concrete, visual, and engaging way. Previous study have shown that digital learning media such as GeoGebra, Kahoot, STEAM-based media, Powtoon, interactive models, and Scratch have been proved effective. Scratch has strong potential due to its ability to integrate visualization, interaction, and game elements. The novelty of this research lies in the integration of dynamic visualization, direct use interaction, and game elements specifically designed to strengthen student conceptual understanding of quadratic equation. The developed media, named X2BIRD, is designed to provide an active, engaging, and meaningful learning experience for understanding quadratic equation concept through Scratch-based application. The objective is to develop an interactive Scratch-based mathematics learning media, X2BIRD, to improve student conceptual understanding of quadratic equation. Next is methods. The development of the model is ADI, which consists of 5 stages: analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The population of this study is all grade 10 students in one senior high school in West Bandung Regency. The sample was selected using purposive sampling, resulting in one class consisting of 19 students. The research instrument consists of test and non-test instrument. The test instrument is an essay type test used to measure student conceptual understanding of quadratic equation. The non-test instrument include expert validation questionnaire, UAT questionnaire, and student response questionnaire. The improvement in learning outcome was analyzed using the Engen formula. Next is result and discussion. First, in the analyze stage, the researchers conduct a literature review of relevant article to identify learning needs and learning characteristics in quadratic equation material, so that it can be answered that the media developed is relevant and able to answer learning problems. Second, the design stage include the creation of an interactive learning media, storyboard, carried out by the design team consisting of 2 students and 1 lecturer at a state university in West Java. Third, development stage involves the media develop process on the Scratch application and validation by 2 material expert, media expert, and 16 user acceptance testing people. Fourth, the implementation stage include the application of media in the learning process, which include the opening, main activity, and closing according to the learning implementation plan. Fifth, the evaluation stage is carried out summative evaluation through the provision of pre-test and post-test to students to assess the effectiveness of media in improving conceptual understanding of quadratic equation. The Engen analysis indicated a significant improvement in conceptual understanding, with 63% of students categorized in the high improvement category. This indicates a substantial increase in student conceptual understanding after using the developed media. And then the next is conclusion. The development of Scratch-based mathematics learning media for quadratic equation was successful, complicated following the ADI model. The results show positive user response and an important in student conceptual understanding based on Engen score. This study has several limitations. First, the sample size was relatively small, so the finding cannot be generalized to a broader population. And the second, this study did not improve a control class, making it difficult to compare the effectiveness of the media with other learning approaches. The next is reference. There are several reference used in the research. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for the attention. I return the session to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Miss Halimatus Sa'diah. We will take one question from the participants or fellow presenters. Is there any question? Please raise your hand or write your question in the chat box. Okay, maybe there are no questions. Since the time is limited, we shall proceed to the next presenter. Okay, thank you so much for Miss Halimatus Sa'diah for the clear presentation. Okay,
Thank you.
we will. Okay, thank you. We will now move to the next presenter. Our second presenter is Miss Hilda Fahriza SPD. She will present her paper entitled Desain Multimedia Pembelajaran Berbasis Scratch dengan Pendekatan Realistik pada Topik Perbandingan. Miss Hilda Fahriza, the time is yours.
Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, thank you.
Yes, Miss.
Wait, now. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, respected scholars and colleagues. It is my great pleasure to present our study, entitled Scratch-Based Learning Multimedia Design with a Realistic Approach to the Topic Comparison. This research was conducted within the Mathematics Education Program Studi, Faculty of Mathematics and Science Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. My name is Hilda Fahriza, and I work on this research with Iyu Sudihartini. Okay, let's move. For the first, about the background of the study. The rapid development of science and technology has significantly influenced the field of education. However, despite this advancement, many students still show a lack of interest in learning mathematics. Mathematics is often perceived as abstract and difficult. Now, to address this issue, Realistic Mathematics Education, or RME, offers an approach that connects mathematical concept with real-life situation. This approach helps students explore, construct, and understand mathematical ideas meaningfully. Additionally, the integration of technology such as Scratch can support interactive and engaging learning experience Therefore, we develop Scratch-based multimedia learning that integrates the realistic approach to improve students' understanding of comprehension topics. Okay. For the purpose of this research is to describe the result of developing interactive multimedia using Scratch based on the Indonesian realistic mathematics education approach. Especially this multimedia is designed for mathematics learning on comparison material for grade 7 junior high school student. In this research, the multimedia development life cycle or MDLC method is used, which includes concept, design, material collecting, assembly, testing, and distribution. And for this research involved 19 students from the Mathematics Education Student Program at the University in Bandung as participant. To evaluate this product, we use user acceptance testing or watershed as a research instrument. This instrument was used to measure users, the responses, and the visibility of the developed multimedia. For the result and discussion, first about the concept. This learning media is designed as an educational game targeting junior high school students, and for the topic covered is comparison. The game consists of learning materials and practice question. It is divided into 3 levels, and each level contains 5 questions. The entire game was developed and implemented using the Scratch application. Through this structure, students can learn gradually, starting from basic understanding to more complex problem solving tasks. And in designing the multimedia, we use a storyboard for the concept of what will be created in the game, yeah. And for the material collecting, we use school textbook as the primary reference, especially mathematics for junior high school or Islamic junior high school, grade 7, by Diki Susanto and colleges, published in 2022. And we also utilize Canva for visual design and gather supporting material from various reliable internet sources. And next about assembly, testing, and distribution. After completing the design and development stage, we conducted assembly and testing phase, and the product was then distributed through the Scratch platform and can be accessed online via the provide project link. This online distribution allows broader accessibility and enables students to use the learning media independently. Okay. Next, for conclusion and suggestion, based on the multimedia development life cycle, the media was successfully designed and developed. For the result of the user acceptance test, show an average score of 91.67% with a positive response rate of 95.61%. These results are categorized as excellent. And for the suggestion is for future development, we suggest registering the game program copyright with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights to protect intellectual property and ensure sustainability of the product. And in conclusion, Scratch-based multimedia integrate with a realistic mathematics approach can serve as an innovative and effective learning medium to enhance students' engagement and understanding in learning comprehension topics. That's it for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Okay.
Okay, thank you for Miss Hilda Fahriza. Okay, we will take one question from the participants or fellow presenter. Is there any questions? Please raise your hand or write your question in the chat box. Okay, maybe there are no question from presenter or fellow participants. So maybe the time is still available. So please allow me to pose one questions. Maybe to make it clearer. Miss Hilda, how does the realistic approach in your Scratch media help students understand comparison concepts?
Okay, maybe the relation about realistic, tadi yang realistic dengan with Scratch. Okay, in the Scratch about the question yang okay, maybe I wanna answer the question is half ya.
Okay.
Okay, maybe in the game includes material and practice question. And for the practice question itu we give a student with pertanyaan yang ada di kehidupan sehari-hari gitu. Jadi the student can connect it about the material of comparison and sehari-harinya gitu.
Okay, thank you so much for your explanation. Thank you once again for your presentation and discussion. It make it clear. And now we will move to the next presenter. Thank you, Miss Hilda. Our third presenter is Miss Hairani Latifah, SPD. The paper is entitled Pengembangan Media Ekomik Berbasis Pendekatan RME untuk Meningkatkan Kemampuan Spasial Siswa pada Materi Bangun Ruang Sisi Datar. Miss Hairani Latifah, the time is yours.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Khairul Latifa and my team is Muhammad Amin Fauzi. I will discussion about development of economic media based on the RMA approach to improve student spatial ability. Mathematics is the like science of the shape, the arrangement of question, and the interacts of the Morse component, broken down into three elements: algebra, analysis, and geometry. Based on this definition, mathematics spatial ability is cross student to master of geometry is one of the area with the mathematics. How this ability style squared attention. Spatial ability and object reality about non-name logic mathematics interiors which developed for the begin of the object of the numeric element and kinetics in the intellect. Meanwhile, in the school education system, geometry is one of the special intelligence of the solving geometry problem. Some students have thought that special ability are important for success. In my friend of the study, School of Mathematics for Science in Engineer Economy for gains methodology and architecture because there are improved the as of spatial. However, in the reality on the background in the student's spatial mathematic ability are still how are sub-option. Students have not yet mastered the spatial ability concept in indicator, name in divide and classing geometry visual and imagine the shape of the position of geometry. Object view from later again there from new break object view from the for are new. In the digital area chills, how there are fonts more the after so we take adopt for this to creating learning media that's easy in for the electronic comic that is are fun in with the storytell and fair easy and understand. Research object to identification the effectiveness of e-comic media using the RME approach in the spatial data structural material. Research and method using the research stack R&D and the AD models, top 5 stack name. Analysis, evaluation in implementation, development, and design. Analysis, the AD models in the research and development often as the scale part of evaluation as the central exit. This is meant that after complete the design phase, you don't measure down intro development, but their component of evaluation phase validation, the comfort test, research instrument and validation sheet, practice sheet, effectiveness sheet. Recent fractured in 3 validator and 26 students. Result and discussion. Analysis. Analysis with analysis performa analysis, curriculum analysis, analysis of study character, validator analysis, practical analysis. Design. Make a Python design. Effectiveness analysis. From the research of research, it was found comic media is very effective in influence student learning. Our comic, this is brought the equality of the student learning comparating in the classmate manner complement learning timers to regular learning and from study and teacher response question regarding the effective of the comic media. A comic media is effective in influencing student learning outcome for the showing and increase in student interesting and improvement. This media is also critical the improvement of the learning system in the world and student interaction is running, smoothing their provide positive response and diversity evaluation of the development comic. And the effectiveness in the improved study learning outcome version and special ability student met the minimal in court with an average of the 7 threads in the areas of the orientation, mental orientation, visualization, reflection, and realization. Thanks.
Okay, thank you for Miss Hairani Latifa for the presentation. We will take one question from the participants or fellow presenters. Is there any question? Please raise your hand or write your question in the chat box. Maybe there are no questions. And since the time is limited, we shall proceed to the next presentation. Thank you so much for Miss Hairani Latifah for the presentation. And we move to the next presenter. Thank you, Miss Hairani. Our next presenter is Mr. Alim Wicaksono, SPD. The title of the paper is Development of RPG Maker based game on geometric transformation material to enhance students' mathematical connection. Mr. Alim Wicaksono, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Is my screen
Kan sering selesai.
Okay.
Empat kan tinggal bimbingan doang.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ya, ini ambil di Surabaya.
Good evening, researcher and all participants. My name is Alim Wicaksono. I'm a student in mathematics education. Today, I'm honored to present my research, development of RPG Maker-based game on geometric transformation material to enhance students' mathematical connection. So the mathematical connection is one of the essential competencies in mathematical learnings. Students are expected to not only understand the formulas procedurally, but also to connect mathematical concepts with other mathematical ideas, with other disciplines, and with real-life situations. However, many studies indicate that students still face difficulties in establishing this connection, especially in geometric transformation. In response to this issue, RPG-based learning or role-playing based game learning allows students to engage in interactive problem-solving situations where mathematical concepts are embedded in meaningful contexts. One of the potential tools is RPG Maker, a role-playing game development platform. So there are many relevant studies that develop role-playing games to enhance the cognitive domain in various mathematical topics. Therefore, this research aims to integrate geometric transformation material into RPG Maker-based educational game to enhance students' mathematical connection skills. The study is development research. So the type of the study is development research using the AD model, which consists of analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate teach. So the research involved 36 11th grade students and one mathematics teacher from a private senior high school in Bandung. The data were collected through pre-test, post-test, and questionnaires. The analysis focused on validity, feasibility, and engagement criteria to measure the effectiveness of the medium. So in the analysis stage, it was found that students experienced difficulties in understanding geometric transformation, particularly in connecting transformation with coordinate system and product knowledge. The teaching method also used in the classroom rely on direct instruction and textbooks with minimal interactive media. In the design stage, learning objectives were formulated specifically to enhance students' mathematical connection skills. The game's scenario was also structured to integrate the material, such as translation and dilatation, into some missions and challenges. In the develop stage, the game was created using RPG Maker software and later converted into Android application using HTML for Android. The game includes interactive maps, challenge, battle mechanics, and some visualization of transformation. In the implement stage, validation process were conducted. The material validation score reached 86%, indicating that the mathematical content was appropriate and accurate. The media validation score was 82%, showing that the design and functionality were visible, and the user acceptance test score reached 87%. So this score reflecting positive student response regarding the usability and engagement of the games. And in the evaluate stage, pre-test and post-test were conducted to measure the effectiveness of the game. The results show that students' mathematical connection skill improved significantly. The average pre-test score was 70.14, while the post-test average increased to 89.17. So this resulted in a gain of 19.03 points. The endgame score was 0.46, which indicates a very effective improvement. The findings demonstrate that the RPG Maker-based game positively enhancing student mathematical connections in geometric transformation topics. So, from the discussion, the game helped explain mathematical concept more visually and interactively. Students were motivated to understand the material in order to progress through the game stage. And then the game mechanics allow students to make strategic decisions, encouraging creativity, critical thinking, and pattern recognition. In conclusion, the development of the RPG Maker-based educational game on geometric transformation was successfully completed. Using the ID model, the game is considered valid and feasible based on expert validation and user acceptance tests. Most importantly, the significant improvement in students' pre-test and post-test indicates that this learning media is effective in enhancing mathematical connection skills. Then, that's it from me. Thank you very much for your attention. If there are any questions, I will be glad to answer them. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Alim Wicaksono. Is there any question from the participants or fellow presenters? Please raise your hand, or you can write your question in the chat box. Okay. Maybe still there are no questions. Because the time is available, so please allow me to pose one questions. Maybe you can make a short conclusion about how does your RPG-based game strengthen student mathematical connections?
Thank you for the question. So in the role-playing games, you play as a player. You're going through the mission, you're going through the challenge, and in this game, the challenge is designed to connect it to different mathematical topics, such as statistics,
I'm sorry, sempat terkendala. Maybe there is one question for Hasan Nasrullah, Mr. Alim. The time is yours. You can answer directly, Mr. Alim.
Okay, so is there any feedback on the answer? Yes, there is any feedback. So if the answer is right, the game will say a good job gitu, and motivate the students. And the answer is no, the mission will offering to restart again. And there is also hints on the answer, so it can help students answer the mission. I think that's my answer to Hasan Nasrullah questions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Alim Wicaksono, for the answer, and Mr. Hasan Nasrullah for the questions. Okay, although I lost your voice, Mr. Alim Wicaksono, because I leave the Zoom, but thank you so much for your explanations. It is hope that the answer is clear and helpful. Thank you once again for Mr. Ali Wicaksono for the comprehensive presentation and discussion. Okay, we will now move to the last presenter. Our final presenter is Miss Alisa Ayunur. She will present her paper entitled the development of Scratch Media to improve high school student mathematical problem solving skill. Miss Alisa Ayunur, the time is yours.
Can you see my presentation? Okay, I will begin. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alisa Ayunur from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. It's a great honor for me to present my research in detail the development of Scratch Media to improve high school student mathematical problem solving skill. This research focuses on the development of interactive learning media using Scratch to support student mathematical problem solving skills, particularly in exponent material at the senior high school level. Mathematical problem solving skills play a very important role in mathematics education, especially in preparing students to face complex problems in the real-life situation. Studies, the mathematical problem solving skills of high school students are still relatively low. Many students experience this in understanding context, modeling problems, and choosing strategies. Traditional teacher-centered approach. In such learning environment, students tend to become passive learners and have limited opportunity to actively explore, analyze, and reflect on problem-solving process. As a result, higher order thinking skill or mathematical problem-solving skill are not optimally developed. Okay, considering this challenge, it is necessary to implement innovative learning approach that can actively engage students in the learning process. One promising approach is digital game-based learning, which has been shown to promote active, meaningful, and enjoyable learning experiences. Digital games allow students to learning by doing, experimenting, and receiving immediate feedback. There is Core FV level. Scratch is a visual programming platform that enables to develop interactive learning media. Through Scratch, educators can design simulation, animation, and various games that support contextual learning and step-by-step problem solving. Sorry. Okay. However, Scratch-based learning media that are explicitly designed to integrate mathematical problem-solving indicators are still limited. Therefore, this research aims to develop Scratch-based media that systematically embeds problem-solving steps into mathematics learning. This research has three main objectives. First, to develop Scratch-based learning media for exponent material at high school level. Second, to improve student mathematical problem-solving skills through the use of the developed Scratch media. And third, to examine the validity, practically, and effectiveness of the Scratch-based learning media in supporting mathematics learning. Next, the research method. The student employed mixed method research design using the ADDIE model, which consists of 5-stage analyze, design, development, implementation, evaluation. During the analyze stage, student needs, learning difficulties, and curriculum requirements were identified. In the design stage, learning objectives, problem-solving indicators, and game mechanics were planned. The development stage involved creating the Scratch-based learning media. The implementation stage focused on applying the media in classroom learning. And the evaluation stage examined the quality and impact of the media. Several instruments were used to collect data are pre-test and post-test, expert validation questionnaires, student response, classroom observation. There is media design of Samalona. This is in bahasa, ya. The developed learning media is called Samalona, which stands for a Scratch-based adventure learning game. The game is designed with a contextual narrative in which students can explore Samalona Island on a treasure hunt adventure. This storyline is intended to increase student engagement and motivation. And within the game, students encounter various mini-games and multi-level challenges related to experiment concept. And with Scratch, we can make other concepts. Problem-solving step, including understanding the problem, planning the solution, implementing the strategy, and evaluating the results. Through the design, students are encouraged not only to find the correct answer, but also to understand the process of problem solving. This slide provides the direct link to Samalona Scratch project. So the Samalona can be accessed online through the Scratch platform, allowing students to interact with the game both during classroom learning or maybe independent study. This accessibility supports flexible and technology enhanced learning. Next is validation and effectiveness result. In validation results, based on expert validation, the Scratch-based learning media validation score of 85%, which falls into the very valid category. And the experts conclude that the media suitable for classroom use with minor revisions suggest related to visual balance and instructional clarity. After revision were made, the media met the required quality standard. And for effectiveness results, the average pretest score is 44.7 and average post-test score is 77.4 and the calculated N-gain score is 0.57, indicates moderate level of improvement. And the last student response also show positive results. There is 80% students start engaging. Students reported that the Scratch-based helped them better understand exponent concepts, increase their motivation, and learn mathematics, and encourage active participation during session. The implementation of the Scratch-based learning media was conducted in 3 learning meetings. And during the meetings, students actively interacted with the Scratch media to solve mathematical problems. And the teacher acted as a facilitator to guide discussion, providing feedback and encouraging reflection on problem-solving strategies. This learning allows students to become more independent and confident in solving mathematical problems. Okay, the next discussion. The finding of the research indicates that digital and game-based learning tools in improving the cognitive affective aspect in mathematical learning. And the Scratch-based learning media can enhance motivation, participation, and understanding students of the concept. And for that, students can integrate the problem-solving step into integrative game. Students were able to engage more deeply with mathematical concepts. And the result support the idea the education technology can serve as an effective innovation in secondary school mathematics teaching. So the conclusion, the Samalona Scratch-based learning media is valid, practical, and effective. The media successfully improves high school student mathematical problem-solving skills and promotes interactive student-centered learning. And this media can therefore be considered a valuable tool in mathematics education. And this research has several important implications. The Scratch-based learning media can be integrated into secondary school mathematics, and for abstract topics such as exponent may be another concept. And I hope for future research, it is recommended to develop similar media for efforts to strengthen the generalization of the findings. This is references, and thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, thank you so much for your presentation, Miss Alisa. We will take one question from the participants or fellow presenters. Please raise your hand or write your question in the chat box. We will wait a moment. Okay, maybe there are no questions. And for the last, Miss Alisa, please allow me to pose one questions. Please make one statement about how does your Scratch Media enhance students' problem-solving skills?
Okay, as I said before, this media this media can enhance problem solving. There are contextual problem in this game, and for in half, please. So in this game or media, student solve banyak sekali problem yang berhubungan dengan kehidupan sehari-hari or contextual problem. So in the process of the solve the problem, di sana ada beberapa indikator, yaitu student bisa apa namanya tuh bisa mengidentifikasi masalahnya dulu apa, kemudian mencari solusi, lalu bisa menerapkannya di game ini. That's my answer.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Alisa, for the clearly answer. And you're the last presenter, so maybe the parallel session is done. Okay, thank you once again for your presentation and discussion, Miss Alisa, and all presenters for the comprehensive presentation and the amazing ICT that you're create. Okay, distinguished participants, this concludes our parallel sessions. Sincere appreciation is extended to all presenters and participants for the valuable presentation and discussions. I hereby close this session and the international seminar officially closed. We look forward to welcoming you again at our next international seminar. Thank you so much for all presentation or presenter and participant. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Student
Waalaikumsalam.
participation, confident,
Thank you, Bu
independent problem.
Norma. And all
Sama-sama Ibu.
participants.
Oke.
Ya.
Silakan Bapak Ibu boleh leave room, leave Zoom. Terima kasih.